and I'm looking forward to learn many things from this course. That's all. Thank you.
I came here in this University of Ladakh to attend the research methodology coursework.
बेसिकली रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी कोर्स बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है इन फ्यूचर जनरेशन्स के लिए, इवन दो मैं भी वही प्रोसेस में हूँ.
I again request Dr. Mohammad Taqi to thank us. I again request Dr. Mohammad Taqi to welcome our Dean Arts University of Ladakh, Dr. Jafar Ali Khan. I again request Dr. Mohammad Taqi to welcome our in-charge administration, Dr. Mehboob Ali. Thank you, sir. 10 days research methodology workshop being organized by University of Ladakh, which is being a remarkable initiative under the leadership of Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, Professor S.K. Mehta. I am delighted to announce that we are honored to have with us today some truly remarkable personalities to grace this occasion. We are privileged to have our guest of honor, Mr. Namang Tundum, whose guidance and leadership continues to inspire us all. We are also honored to have with us our special guest, Dr. Firdaus Ahmed Sultan. Additionally, we are privileged to have our in-charge administration, Dr. Mehboob Ali, whose untiring support has been instrumental in making this event successful. We are also honored to welcome Dean Arts, Dr. Jafar Ali Khan sir, to grace the event. We are thrilled to witness a highly learned audience gathered to deepen their understanding of the research methodology. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to this comprehensive 10 days research methodology course.
I'm from IGNTU, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University of Madhya Pradesh. My native state is Arunachal Pradesh.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Rexy Nadu. I'm from Peaceful University, Assam.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Divang Liu. I'm from IGNTU Amarkantak. Thank you all.
शब खैर आदाब जुले मैं डॉक्टर निसार अहमद डार प्रोफेसर कारगिल कैंपस यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लद्दाख.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ayman Nazir. I am from Department of Religious Studies and University of Kashmir.
Under his dynamic and visionary leadership, the University of Ladakh, though still in its budding stage, has made remarkable strides in research and innovation. His commitment to academic excellence has been a guiding force for all of us, inspiring us to reach new heights and continually pushing the boundaries of knowledge in this remote region. The University of Ladakh is a young and growing institution, but we are strongly committed to becoming a center of academics and research excellence.
Thank to Dr. Firdaus for accepting our invitation as a resource person. I also thank to Dr. Mehboob, in charge administration, for support and his encouragement. Last but not least, thanks to our host, Dr. Taqi, for making this program possible. And finally, thanks to all the faculty members, organizers who work tirelessly to make this event possible. To participate, all the participants, once again, I would extend my warmest welcome to you all to the Kargil campus, University of Ladakh, and I wish you a productive, enriching, and enjoyable experience at this workshop. May this course serve the stepping stone in your research journey, guiding you towards new insights, discoveries, and contributing to the field of social science. Thank you, and thank you once again, and welcome to the 10 days research methodology course in social science research. Thank you all. Thank you.
Whose steadfast support and prompt assistance in all administrative matters have been pivotal to the successful organization of these events. His kindness and approachability have made it easier for us to navigate through various challenges, ensuring that all arrangements are executed smoothly and efficiently. In this context, the organization of this research methodology course is not only a noteworthy accomplishment, but also a clear indicator of the university's upward trajectory. We are fortunate to have such strong leadership at the helm, and we remain committed to furthering the university's mission of advancing knowledge.
That I stand before you today on this occasion of the inaugural function of 10 days research methodology course. on quantitative and qualitative research method for research scholars and faculty in social sciences. I believe this course, jointly organized by the Department of Geography and the Department
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Now, thank you, sir.
Kargil campus would like to extend my deepest gratitude to our special guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, Professor S.K. Mehta, our special guest, Dr. Firdaus Ahmad Sofal, Senior Assistant Professor, University of Kashmir, and guest of honor, Mr. Nawang Tundu, Registrar, University of Ladakh. We are honored that you took the time to join us for this special event. Special thanks to Dr. Mehboob Ali, in charge Administration, University of Ladakh, Kargil campus, for all the technical and logistic support to the program. My gratitude also goes to Dr. Jafar Ali Khan, Dean Arts, University of Ladakh, and Dr. Mohammad Taqi, course coordinator of this program. My special thanks to each and every one of you coming from different parts of the country for attending this inaugural ceremony of ICSSR sponsored 10 days research methodology course in social sciences. We are honored to have organized such workshop for the first time at Kargil campus, University of Ladakh. We are thankful for your gracious presence and for being part of this special event. Special thanks to all the teaching and non-teaching staff comprising the organizing committee, students, volunteers, and media personnel for their timeless efforts. We hope that this 10 days research methodology workshop would be productive, engaging, and informative to all of you. Once again, I thank you all for your kind presence and for being part of this special inaugural ceremony. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Rixin Amrul. I'm from Department of Social Work, Tezpur University, Assam, and I'm here in University of Ladakh, Kargil campus, to attend a workshop on qualitative and quantitative research methodology. And I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the organizing team, Department of Sociology and Department of Geography, University of Ladakh, Kargil campus, for organizing in a very well-mannered, and we are very pleased to have here, and I'm also grateful for ICSSR to sponsor this course, and I'm looking forward to learn many things from this course. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Afsar Ali, and I'm a PhD scholar in the Department of Management Study, University of Kashmir. I've been selected for the 10 days research work methodology coursework, which is going to be conducted over here by the University of Ladakh in their Kargil campus. I'm delightful, and also I'm happy that I'm here as the location. First of all, I would mention that the location of the university is so unimaginable. It's like a moonland, which I have never seen in my life. Another thing is the research methodology itself. It's a unique, and also the way Taqi sir and other organizing committee has commenced it. It's really beautiful and so well professional, and I must say that such workshop should conduct much more in future. Thank you.
जो यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लद्दाख में होने जा रहा है उसको आप कवर करने आए, उसके लिए आप सबका शुक्रिया। ये एक्चुअली 10 डेज़ का रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी कोर्स हम यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज़ करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका अभी जस्ट इनाग्रल फंक्शन कंक्लूड हुआ है, और आज 29 अगस्त से लेके ये 7 सितंबर तक ये कोर्स चलेगा और 7 सितंबर को कंक्लूड होगा। ये जो कोर्स है ये जॉइंटली ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ज्योग्राफी और डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी कारगिल कैंपस यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लद्दाख से। और आपको बताते चलूँ कि ये जो कोर्स है फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम कारगिल कैंपस में कंडक्ट किया जा रहा है, और वी आर एक्सट्रीमली फॉर्चुनेट कि हमें इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ सोशल साइंस रिसर्च, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से हमारी प्रपोजल को एक्सेप्ट किया गया और हमें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि इतनी एक फार एरिया और डिफ़िकल्ट एरिया और ऐसी
जो अभी लद्दाख यूनिवर्सिटी अपनी इन्फेंसी स्टेज पे है और हमें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी इस प्रोग्राम को कंडक्ट करने के लिए, सो आई एम एक्सट्रीमली थैंकफुल टू देम। और जहाँ तक इस रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी कोर्स की बात है, इसका मेन फोकस है कि जो डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ अक्रॉस इंडिया में डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स में जो रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स हैं या जो डिपार्टमेंट में फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं जो रिसर्च एक्टिविटीज़ में इन्वॉल्व हैं, तो उनके लिए एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे हमारा फोकस ये है कि जो रिसर्च को किस तरह से रिसर्च की क्वालिटी को और बेहतर किया जाए, राइट फ्रॉम द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ रिसर्च से लेकर के एडवांस लेवल का ट्रेनिंग यहाँ पे दिया जाएगा। और हम बहुत खुशकिस्मत हैं कि जब से हमने ये नोटिफिकेशन यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लद्दाख ने फ्लोट किया रिगार्डिंग द रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी कोर्स, तो वी रिसीव्ड एन ओवरवेलमिंग रिस्पांस जहाँ पे मोर देन 150 पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने अप्लाई किया। अब ड्यू टू द गाइडलाइंस फ्रॉम द फंडिंग एजेंसी हम 30 को सिलेक्ट कर पाए और आज हम बहुत ही ग्रेटफुल हैं कि वी हैव पार्टिसिपेंट्स फ्रॉम ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया, फ्रॉम असम, फ्रॉम गुजरात, फ्रॉम हैदराबाद और इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रेस्टिजियस यूनिवर्सिटीज़ भारत, ये बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी, इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल ट्राइबल यूनिवर्सिटी, तेजपुर यूनिवर्सिटी असम, ओके, मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी, तो इन सभी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ का जो
Hello, my name is Oini Tatak. Basically, I am from Arunachal Pradesh. Presently, I am pursuing my PhD from Department of Museology, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Madhya Pradesh. I came here in this University of Ladakh to attend the research methodology coursework organized by the Department of Sociology and Geography of Ladakh University. This workshop is organized by the ICSSR, so I'm looking forward to learn research methodology from the expert.
Honestly, myself, Assistant Professor Varsha Gamre, I'm working at Humera Khan College of Education from Mumbai University, affiliated to Mumbai University. बेसिकली रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी कोर्स बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है इन फ्यूचर जनरेशन्स के लिए, इवन दो मैं भी वही प्रोसेस में हूँ। आई एम करंटली डूइंग माई PhD वर्क, सो उसकी नीड एंड रिक्वायरमेंट इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है, जहाँ ड्यूरिंग द PhD के जर्नी में इतने स्टकअप होते, इतनी कन्फ्यूजन रेज होते हैं, तो ऐसे इनिशिएटिव, ऐसे प्रोग्राम अरेंज करना विच इज़ रियली गुड, यू नो, द कॉज ऑफ रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स। और लद्दाख यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लद्दाख ने जो इनिशिएटिव लिया, रियली आई एम रियली अप्रिशिएटेड एंड एट द सेम टाइम वेरी ग्लैड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस वर्कशॉप। मैं ऑल द वे मुंबई से यहाँ पर आई हूँ एंड थ्रू आउट वो जैसे एप्लीकेशन आया एंड आई एम वेरी फर्स्ट मोमेंट आई सेड कि नो, आई हैव टू डू द पार्टिसिपेशन इन दिस कोर्स। एंड वो भी एक हिडन था कि ले घूमना है, लद्दाख घूमना है, सो वो मेरा इंटेंशन भी था ना। अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पर आकर, सो काफ़ी अच्छा कॉज है।
For more updates, subscribe to our channel Kargil Today. Click the show links and enjoy watching the videos. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Keep watching Kargil Today. Keep enjoying Kargil Today, the only voice of Kargil Ladakh.